James. My surname is Sijama. I'm the manager, facilities, management and maintenance. We're here at the beaches, one of our beaches, beautiful beaches, called Hobby Beach. It forms part of one of my portfolios within my section that I'm responsible for. We are about to start our new season, open our season for 2021. We had recently appointed 25 lifeguards to man our beaches. Lifeguards is a very important key source for the municipality because they are there to make sure for the safety of our beach goers or bathers. We have also recently appointed a new contractor to do training for our lifeguards.
Second two. Okay, yeah, I just want to welcome everybody to the Bitou lifeguard pre-season training program. Yeah, every year the guys do a retest to make sure they're in compliance with their Life Saving South Africa award. They work really hard, they get really trained up, and they're going to be ready for you guys on the beach when you arrive for your lovely holiday in Plet. Let you know that our lifeguards are trained and also trained to look out for you.
Currently we're having 13 beaches with different severities in terms of surfing conditions in Plettenberg Bay. I wouldn't want to mention their names, but it's 13. But most importantly, our beaches are very safe. We also recently received full statuses for our 5 out of the 13 beaches, namely the Robert 5, Lookout Beach, Nature's Valley, Singing Kettle. They all received their full statuses of Blue Flag consecutively for 5 years. We have also received a acknowledgement or recognition for the Nature's Valley Beach that has been receiving Blue Flag status for the past 10 years. We would thus now welcome our bathers to our beach when we're opening officially so effectively today. I thank you.